Hey guys, how are you today? The product I'm endorsing today is called Out of the Gray Coffee, and it happens to have come in whole beans. So you're going to need a coffee grinder, which will come in beneficial to you. This is I'm going to leave a link in the YouTube description. So, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, comment on the video, share the video. And I'm endorsing this through a blog article or as a third party. I'm just going to copy and paste this link right here. Go directly to Facebook. By the way, guys, you can friend me on Facebook, follow me on Threads, Instagram, or other social media accounts. I want to dump these posts, these links in the YouTube description. And here we go. What I can do for you is just copy and paste this link. By the way, I'm an affiliate marketer right now, and I've actually made $41 this as of late for promoting products like this. Now, the thing about Out of the Grape coffee, it is the taste that you can see. Oh, the taste you can see. It is a very specialty coffee for coffee drinkers like you and me. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to paste that link, and you can. I'm just going to leave a brief caption. I'm just going to leave a brief caption right here. From Out of the Gray Coffee to your doorstep. Here we go. By the way, there's shipping. You get free shipping on all orders over $90. Free shipping on orders over $90. Here we go. I'll share this with Coffee Drinkers Wanted, which happens to have over 1,000 followers. So we're going to share that with Facebook as of right now. Another thing we're going to do is we're going to go straight to embedded and advanced settings. I'm going to log out of my Facebook account. Here we go, straight down to log out. I'm going to copy and paste this Facebook link right here. And we're going to hit that X. Now, nobody is signed up for, nobody's logging into Facebook right here. Nobody's created an account. You can even do this with your smartphone, your Android phone, or your tablet. You can just press your finger on that. Or if you're on desktop like me and you got this little cursor thingy moving, you can just click on the picture, boom, redirected to the website that sells Out of the Gray coffee. Out of the Gray coffee. So this is a real deal product. You can shop all your coffees. For example, let's go for an example at at chocolate. And this is the kind that me and my wife are getting. You're looking at a price of $17.99, which had been paid for. I get a sales commission of $1 something cents. So there's a flat rate shipping of $7.77 up to 100 bags. And my wife and I love this coffee. Now you're gonna have to grind them. And if you're feeling lucky, you can just play a little game just to stay interested and spin that wheel. You can enter information like your email and phone number and sign off. Make sure you hit or you can just ignore that entirely by clicking the box, clicking that X. Now with Out of the Gray Coffee, people have been giving him 4 and 5 star ratings. And this is specialty coffee. So be sure to follow me on threads.net. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram. I want to leave these links in the YouTube description. I want to redirect you to this blog if I can. You can just click on that word with your finger on a Android or tablet, or go through the picture. It's a very popular coffee here in the United States of America. Ships to the United States of America. And right now we're going through a port strike. So if you want to order coffee from America to America, this is the coffee to order online. Thank you for your time. Social media.